So quantum physics, don't let it overwhelm you. Really, it's simple. It's the study of matter and energy at the most fundamental level. It's the building blocks of nature. But the point of all this is you can control that by how you think and how you feel every day. You can control the next creation in your life, hence become a scientist. He was asking you to determine your thought level is going to determine where you are in life, because it's going to create from that iceberg, that visualization that I gave in the very beginning, that subterranean part of you that nobody can see, that we can't see. They are starting to see it now with energy equipment that can actually visualize, that can actually come up with images of energy leaving the body. This is basically what quantum physics is in a nutshell. And granted, I paraphrased it, but it all boils down to what kind of energy are you emitting every day? And that thought process, that feeling process, all those electrons, protons, and all these different facets are affecting the atoms, which are connecting to other atoms. In essence, your reality. When you start realizing that to become wealthy, all you have to do is connect with the frequency of being wealthy and doing it on a constant basis, you're going to attract those facets in your life. You already do it with sadness and fear and anxiety. You're on that kind of frequency level. Therefore, you keep recreating that and saying, why am I doing this? Because you're not making the conscious choice to change your thought process. You're not making the conscious choice to bring out the person you've always wanted to be. He goes on to say, and a wave nature is described in quantum physics. That is the duality of what you can see with Newton's laws and what you can't see with Planck's laws. They just combined it. And quantum physics is what you can't see can be created into what you can see. By all that subterranean activity that we don't see, but we are in complete control of, because this is who we are. That's why they state in Scripture, God dwells within us. That's what they're saying, just on a scientific level, but in a way that makes sense. And they were trying to do it esoterically, attaching a figure to it in religion, but in essence, it's all the same. Science and religion, in my opinion, my humble opinion, is all the same. It just stated differently, and people have attached their theory on one, and people attach their theory on another.